If you are looking for a trading journal, then you're in the right place. Today we are going to do a head-to-head comparison of Tradesviz. We're also going to have a look at Tradezella. We want to know what they offer, why they can actually benefit you, and how they do it. So let's check them out. Okay, so we're going into Tradesviz now. So some of their key features include some advanced analytics. So you get over 100 chart types to visualize trading patterns and performance metrics. You also get detailed tables that track every trade parameter for comprehensive analysis, and it is a free platform which provides professional grade tools without subscription fees. This is a very cost-effective option if you are a beginner, especially if you are learning how to trade and you need a platform with robust tools that you can practice with. Some of the other things here, some of their advanced analytics and their simulations, they have comprehensive back testing, a very powerful pivot grid. You can filter groups. You can chart any trading statistic for personalized analysis. You can drill down into specific metrics to identify trading strengths as well as weaknesses. Also, you can see every order and trade over any time period with custom visualizations. You can identify patterns that impact performance through visual analysis. Over here, you can see it also has a built-in trading simulator, so you can do practice strategies. This is all risk-free across stocks, futures, forex, and options markets. You can also develop confidence before actually deploying real capital. This is very helpful. You can track institutional money movements through integrated options workflows, and you can combine this with fundamentals for comprehensive market perspectives. You can also compare actual trades with original plans to improve discipline, and this will help you identify where execution deviates from strategy. Okay, so we're having a look at Tradezella's core features first of all. So Tradezella actually stands out with its effortless trade logging capabilities. This allows traders to focus on strategy rather than record keeping. The platform's versatility also accommodates various input methods to suit different trading networks and different trading workflows. You can also see that you have direct integrations with trading accounts, and it enables a hands-free logging experience for every transaction. You can also see that it ensures complete and accurate records without manual entry, and you can see that it supports multiple data options, also including CSV file uploads and manual entries for traders using different platforms or even different strategies. It also has a very intuitive design which caters to traders of all experience levels. This gives you a clear navigation and accessibility set of features that minimize the learning curve. You can also see that it has an analytics dashboard. So this is a dedicated space. It is a very comprehensive visual analytics space that provides instant insights into your trading performance with interactive charts for win percentage, profit and loss metrics, and also long-term performance trends across different time periods. You can also access over 50 specialized reports that identify your best and your worst trades, your reoccurring mistakes, and your most profitable patterns. These detailed analytics help pinpoint strengths to leverage and weaknesses to address, of course. You can also create personalized labeling systems to categorize trades by strategy, by market conditions, physiological, psychological factors. The customization also allows for more targeted analysis and pattern recognition. You can see over here that you can actually accelerate your learning curve. So you can review past trades with a tick-by-tick replay functionality, including execution timing data. The visual learning tool helps identify missed opportunities as well as improve your decision making. It has a structured reflection prompt guide that will help you with your trading journal entries, encouraging a deeper analysis of both your successful and your unsuccessful trades to exact valuable lessons. You can also identify recurring patterns in your trading behavior and systematically address your weaknesses through data-driven insights and targeted improvement strategies. Ladies and gentlemen, there we go. Some of the best software in the industry. The takeaway here really is to go and try them in your field of expertise. See how they work for you as an individual. If this was helpful, drop us a like to show your support. We'll see you next time.